Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is a 30-inch full lace wig, and these are two bundles of 32-inch straight hair. If you guys don't remember, or if you're new to my channel, a few weeks ago, I did a video explaining how I feel about full lace wigs. The type of person that I am, I like really full hair. And if you are the same type of person, make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below. Before we go any further, I just want to say that this is the longest hair I've ever had. But what we're going to be doing today is making the wig fuller, thicker, and longer. This is a full lace wig. And the reason why I'm using a full lace wig, oh, by the way, I bleached the knots already off camera. If you guys want to see how you bleach a full lace, because I know bleaching a full lace is kind of more complicated than a frontal or anything like that. If you want to see that, let me know. But what I'm doing right now is just sectioning off the front. This front area, I'm not going to go past that because I don't want, of course, the tracks to come all the way up there. I still want the wig to be versatile. But the reason why I'm using a full lace wig is because if I make a custom unit, the longest frontal that you can get is a 20-inch. A 20-inch with 30-inch bundles does not look cute. So that's the reason why I'm using a full lace wig, because it'll be 30 inches all the way around. And I really wanted that length, and I want it to look even all the way around. I don't want it to look awkward. But basically, this is going to be kind of like a braidless sew-in on a wig. If you've never seen a braidless sew-in before, or if you never had a braidless sew-in before, this is basically kind of like what it is. And although a full lace wig is very delicate, you can still sew on it. Just don't be so rough. Don't pull so rough. And even if you want to reverse this, if you don't want the tracks on there anymore, or maybe you want to go in and add more tracks, you can. All you have to do is just cut the thread out like you would with your regular sew-in. A lot of you guys ask me all the time, to slow down the sewing method. This is the sewing method I use all the time, whether I'm doing a frontal sew-in, a closure sew-in, any type of sewing that I'm doing. This is always the pattern that I'm using. So this is what it looks like in real time, and I'm doing it slow for you guys so you can see what exactly I'm doing. I'm going underneath through that hole and pulling it, underneath through that hole and pulling it. Keep it open for the next time you loop. And like I said, I still want the wig to be versatile, so I'm not going to sew in certain areas. So if you do want to pull your wig up in a ponytail, you still can do that. And you're literally just going to repeat those same steps over and over until it gets to the fullness that you desire, or until you just don't have any more hair left over. I only have two bundles, and I don't want it to be like extremely full and chunky and hunky, but I do want it to be fuller because longer hair tends to look thin. Now we're just going to go ahead and take some medium brown lace tint. I'm using medium brown because that's the skin tone that I am. This lace tint can be purchased from tailoredcrowns.com. Her link will be in my description box, and it's very easy to use. You just spray it on the lace and get the blow dryer and let it dry. You can see that the lace is turning colors. This full lace is from HairByErickaJ.com. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already, but this is from my company. This is from my wig line, and this All of the laces that I sell come with a light brown lace, a Swiss light brown lace. This lace can match anyone's skin tone, and you can always use the lace tint or the makeup to give you that perfect match. I also sell transparent laces because I really like those, because you can definitely match that exactly to your skin tone, exactly how you need it to be. The transparent only comes in frontals and closures though. But right now, we're just going to go ahead and make some minimal baby hairs. I really don't want any excessive baby hair today. And I want to show you guys how you can just do minimal baby hair, because I know some of you don't really like a lot of baby hair. So I'm going to cater to you today. So if you want to see that, make sure you stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be installing the longest hair I've ever had in my life. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very helpful. And if you have an old full lace wig that you want to revamp and you want to make it fuller, because full lace wigs tend to shed a lot, you can go ahead and use this same technique. Once again, see you next time. Thank you for the support. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.